When it comes to external portable storage, Sabrent have built a solid reputation for themselves with various reliable yet fast options available, be it in complete ready-to-run form or as an external enclosure for using your own SSD. If you're after something super portable, the Rocket Nano has always been a great choice, and now Sabrent take it a step further with a new variant, the Rocket Nano V2. I must admit I do like the Rocket Nano series and have been personally using several Rocket Nano rugged drives for a long while now without any issue. They're portable, fast and reliable, in essence bridging the gap between a thumb drive and an external desktop drive. Naturally, with a small frame does come heat, and these things can get rather warm under heavy usage, but not so far as for it to create me any problems. Now Sabrent have taken it a step further with a new variation of this winning formula, albeit with some very subtle external changes thrown in too. Available in capacities ranging up to 4 TB in total and shipped within Sabrent's signature tin case, on the face of it, the size and shape of the drive are strikingly similar to the predecessor. This time round, the drive comes wrapped in a black silicone shroud, helping with some added protection, although should you prefer, this can easily be removed to reveal the sleek black aluminum casing complete with some branding etched with precision at the top end, while on the business end of the device you'll find a single USB Type-C port, with a status LED just above. The drive certainly feels tough enough to handle a reasonable amount of abuse, and although the size doesn't quite compare to a thumb drive, it's still super portable and weighs only a couple of ounces, so you can pretty much toss it into your pocket or bag and not really notice it's there. So while the outside may look similar, Sabrent have been hard at work on what's inside. Most SSD devices incorporate 2 controllers on board, and both need power. More power means more heat, which is the enemy of solid-state storage controllers because it induces performance throttling to maintain a reasonable temperature. This drive, however, incorporates a native USB SSD controller, a Phison PS2251. This eliminates the need for a bridge chip to talk with the host. The result is supreme compatibility reaching back in time all the way to the ancient USB 1.1 Type-A port. This compatibility is enabled by the ultra-low power requirements that can be supplied even by low-power USB 1.1 ports, and to top it off, this native USB is capable of up to 20 gigabits per second throughput with a compatible computer and port, of course. Compatibility is king in the world of fast portable storage, and that is what we have with Sabrent's newest portable SSD. That same new chip also means trim is not supported, but that's actually a good thing. Trim historically would have to move information off an entire block and then erase that block to free it for future use. This SSD uses SCSI Unmap, which in fact is able to sanitize the deleted information more efficiently without having to move all the data and delete that entire block, as Trim does. Same job completed, but with more efficient advanced flash management. So while it may not be the absolute fastest drive out there, simply stated, compatibility is king in relation to a portable storage device. Performance, especially as it pertains to writing or programming data, is a secondary consideration. After all, what good is a portable storage device that may not work when going from one host to another? The construction itself is excellent for a small, slim device, certainly tougher than most external drives of this size. With the silicone protection, it'll easily handle anything that's going to happen in your pocket or bag. All in all, it's a fantastic choice for speed, portability, and above all else, compatibility.